Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to build a circle house. First, meticulously plan your circular layout, thinking about how rooms will flow and where windows will best capture light. Next, prepare a robust, level foundation that can adequately support the unique stresses of a circular structure. It's crucial to ensure excellent drainage around the entire foundation to prevent any future water-related problems. This initial planning and preparation are vital for a successful build. Now, let's move to framing the walls. You'll want to use flexible materials such as plywood or consider prefabricated curved panels for efficiency. Erect your wall studs at consistent intervals, carefully following the precise circular radius you've planned. Securely attach both the top and bottom plates to maintain the wall's perfect curvature throughout the construction process. Precision here ensures structural integrity. For the roof, consider a conical or dome structure, which complements the circular design beautifully and offers excellent structural integrity. Next, integrate your plumbing and electrical systems efficiently within the curved walls, planning carefully to avoid future complications. It's essential to ensure all utility lines are properly insulated and sealed to maximize energy efficiency and maintain a comfortable interior environment. Finally, apply interior and exterior finishes that truly enhance the unique circular aesthetic of your home. Carefully install windows and doors, ensuring they fit the curved openings precisely for a seamless look and proper function. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals. With these steps, your beautiful, efficient circular home will be complete and ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.